Welcoming a new baby into your home is a joyous occasion filled with anticipation and love. As your little one grows, their curiosity and mobility will know no bounds, transforming your home into an exciting playground. While this exploration is a natural and essential part of their development, it also presents potential hazards that parents need to address. Childproofing your home is a crucial step in ensuring your baby's safety and providing yourself with peace of mind. Childproofing doesn't mean creating a sterile or boring environment. It's about identifying potential dangers and taking simple measures to prevent accidents. From securing heavy furniture to covering electrical outlets, every step you take creates a safer space for your little one to thrive. By proactively addressing these hazards, you empower your child to explore their surroundings with confidence while minimizing the risk of preventable injuries. Remember, babies and toddlers are incredibly curious and often unaware of potential dangers. What may seem like a harmless object to us can pose a serious threat to a child. A dangling blind cord, an unsecured cabinet door, or an uncovered electrical outlet can quickly turn into a hazardous situation. That's why it's crucial to see your home from your child's perspective, anticipating potential risks and taking appropriate precautions. This guide will provide you with practical tips and insights on how to childproof your home effectively, covering key areas such as securing furniture, installing safety gates, baby-proofing electrical outlets and cabinets, and implementing room-specific safety measures. By following these guidelines, you can create a safe and nurturing environment where your child can learn, grow, and explore with confidence. As your baby learns to pull themselves up and walk, furniture becomes a potential hazard. Top-heavy furniture like bookcases, dressers, and televisions can easily tip over if a child tries to climb or pull on them. Securing these items to the wall is crucial to prevent serious injuries from falls. Use furniture straps or L-brackets to anchor furniture securely to the wall studs. These inexpensive devices can be found at most hardware stores and are relatively easy to install. Make sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully for optimal safety. Don't forget about other heavy objects that might pose a tipping risk, such as floor lamps, large vases, and freestanding mirrors. Secure these items as well, or consider moving them to a location out of your child's reach. Regularly inspect furniture straps and anchors to ensure they are still securely attached. Over time, these devices may loosen or become worn, compromising their effectiveness. Tighten or replace them as needed to maintain a safe environment for your child. Safety gates are essential for blocking off stairways and other areas that could pose a danger to your child. Install gates at the top and bottom of stairs to prevent falls. Choose gates that are sturdy, meet current safety standards, and are the appropriate height for your child. When installing gates, make sure they are securely mounted to the wall or door frame. Pressure-mounted gates can be convenient for temporary use, but may not be as secure as hardware-mounted options. Consider using hardware-mounted gates for areas with heavy traffic or where extra security is needed. Use gates to restrict access to rooms that haven't been child-proofed yet, such as the kitchen or bathroom. This allows you to create safe zones where your child can play freely while you focus on childproofing other areas of the house. Remember that gates are not a substitute for adult supervision. Always supervise your child closely, even in areas secured by safety gates. Children are resourceful and may find ways to bypass safety measures if left unattended. Section 4. Electrical outlets and cabinets eliminating hidden hazards. Electrical outlets and cabinets pose significant risks to curious children. Use outlet covers to block access to unused electrical outlets. Choose covers that are tamper-resistant and difficult for small children to remove. Install cabinet locks on cabinets and drawers containing potentially hazardous items such as cleaning supplies, medications, and sharp objects. Opt for locks that are invisible from the outside and difficult for children to open. Consider using appliance locks to prevent children from turning on appliances like ovens, refrigerators, and dishwashers. These locks typically attach to the appliance door or control panel, making it difficult for small hands to operate them. Don't forget about low-lying electrical cords from lamps, electronics, and appliances. Secure these cords out of reach or use cord shorteners to prevent children from tripping over them or pulling them down. Section 5, room-by-room childproofing kitchen, bathroom, and living room. Childproofing involves addressing potential hazards in every room of your home. Here are some specific tips for the kitchen, bathroom, and living room. Store all cleaning supplies, knives, and other sharp objects out of reach in high cabinets with childproof locks. Keep small appliances like toasters and blenders unplugged and out of reach when not in use. Never leave pots and pans unattended on the stovetop, especially with handles facing outward. Consider using a stove guard to prevent children from reaching burners and potentially burning themselves. Keep all medications, toiletries, and cleaning products out of reach in locked cabinets. Use non-slip mats in the bathtub and on the bathroom floor to prevent slips and falls. Always supervise young children during bath time and never leave them unattended, even for a moment. Set your water heater temperature to 120 degrees Fahrenheit or lower to prevent scalding. Secure tall furniture like bookshelves and entertainment centers to the wall to prevent tipping. Cover sharp corners of furniture and fireplaces with corner protectors. Keep breakable decorations and valuables out of reach or in a safe place. Hide or secure electrical cords from lamps, electronics, and window blinds. Section 6, essential products and DIY solutions, affordable childproofing options. Childproofing doesn't have to be expensive. Many effective childproofing products are available at affordable prices, and some safety measures can be implemented using simple DIY solutions. Outlet covers, cabinet locks, furniture straps, safety gates, corner protectors, and cord shorteners. Use hair ties or rubber bands to secure cabinet doors that don't require childproof locks. Place heavy objects in low drawers to make them more difficult for children to open. Cover sharp furniture corners with pool noodles or rolled-up towels. Secure dangling blind cords with a hook or clip. Remember to regularly check and maintain all childproofing measures to ensure they are still effective and in good working order. As your child grows and develops new skills, you may need to adjust your childproofing strategies accordingly.